बाय गुड कर,
सीधे कर स्माइल।
बाय गुड कर। मैं कहूँगा सही बिना बताए किया। Good evening, hello and welcome to all of you guys. Today I'm just going to narrate a topic. I'm just going to discuss about a topic with Asaji and Shivani. Firstly, I will do a topic, then Shivani will come here, and then Asa will come here. Okay. The topic is a Mumbai gang rape scandal, because it is being said that in Mumbai this is a very safe place for women. But in Mumbai there are incident took place with a photographer. So I think that it is very similar incident which took place in Mumbai. According to me, it should not be taken place in Mumbai, because Mumbai is a hi-fi area, and many political leaders like Raj Thakre, they given their comment that the person who did this, he should be killed, and they gave his own thought. They gave his thought that what should be happen with them, what should we do with them. So I think that they said a right thing, that we gave him a punishment like a death sentence or like a hang-on punishment executed on the hand. So I think it's a good punishment for it. But I think it can't be change our mentality. Okay, I want to ask Asa that what do you want to say about it? What is your feeling about it? Asa ji, please come here. Asa ji, please come here.
कुछ नहीं बोल सकता मेरा ही।
Okay, Asa ji, you listen the news yesterday? कल न्यूज़ सुनी? तेज बोलो। Yes. Okay. What you saw the incident about the Mumbai, that there was a gang rape took place by 4 people with a photographer. What do you want to say about it? What do you want to say about it? What is your perception about it, that in the safe place where the people used to say that Mumbai is a very safe place for them, but the cheap mentality is going on daily basis, down and down. So what do you want to say about it? What is your perception? परसेप्शन क्या है? परसेप्शन क्या इसके रिगार्डिंग? क्या सोचती है इसके बारे में? What are you thinking about it?
मैं रख दूँगी, कुछ खा नहीं सकती।
Okay, जाओ. Okay, you can go. She is very nervous, so she can't. One second. She is very nervous, so she can't say anything. So now I want to ask this question, the same question to Shivani. Okay, Shivani, please come on the stage.
ये तो पूरा जगह से नहीं कुछ।
Shivani, please. Okay, Asa ji, you want to come here again? Okay, I will give a chance. Shivani, please. Okay, Shivani, I want to ask her same question which I asked her. Okay, what are you thinking about it? What do you think about it?
I think Mumbai is a hi-fi area, but it's a not safe area.
No, one second. But it is. We hear this, that we listen this by many people, that Mumbai is a very safe area for women, and every place in every state this incident like gang rape incident took place. But Mumbai is only one place where this incident didn't took place. But now this incident also took place. So what is your perception regarding this?
But Mumbai is not safe area nowadays, because nowadays many people are there, and this mentality there are mentality what need to change, but our government is wrong, I think.
No, but there is no hand of government, because they didn't do it. The people do it. You are saying that the government is responsible for it. In which basis you are saying this, that government is responsible for it?
Because they are not given a capital punishment.
Capital punishment, but it is not a reason that by giving the punishment you can't change the mentality of people.
If they shoot up on the spot, so might be possible.
Yes, of course, but will it be possible or not?
Might be possible.
But which are you saying? It is based on the theoretical, but if we are saying in practical, I don't think so that our government can do it, because they are just busy to fill their pocket. They have no time for us.
Because nowadays, because democracy is going on, if dictatorship is going on, so is it possible?
Okay. It will be possible.
If dictatorship.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Asaji, I'm calling you again on the stage. Please, Asaji, come on. Because you said, Asaji, please. Okay, you are saying that you want a second chance, so I will call you. Okay, what are you thinking about it? Shivan said that dictatorship is a good option. So, what are you thinking? That dictatorship is a good option or not? Yes. How can you say this? In which basis you are saying this? That dictatorship is a good option just to develop in our country, society and the mentality. How can you say this?
Mumbai in said area.
तेज बोलो.
Mumbai in said area.
तेज.
और
सुनाई नहीं दे.
Mumbai in.
Asaji, please speak loudly. See, we can't hear you. We need to hear you, but we can't because of your slow voice. You should speak in our voice.
Mumbai is not area.
Mumbai is a area.
No, Mumbai is not safe area.
Who said this? No, I'm not discussing about it. I'm talking about the dictatorship because Shivani said that dictatorship is a good option. Just to environment, just to improve environment of India and just to change the mentality of people. So what are you thinking about the dictatorship? Yes? I'm asking you I just want to put a very simple question on you. Very straightforward manner. That Shivani said dictatorship is must just to improve in the mentality of people. So, do you agree with her or not?
Yeah.
Why are they agree with her? In which basis you are agree with her? Yes?
He is right.
Speak loudly.
He is right.
Six slides. Six, yeah.
What are you saying?
Done.
I am saying, what are you thinking about the Shivani?
I don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know? I am not asking you the question. I just want your perception regarding this. What is your perception? What is your thought regarding this? Okay, you can go. I know that you can't get my question. Okay, I'm just move ahead in my next topic. It is also rape case by the Asaram, Bapu Asaram. I think all of you in this world, in the India, all of you know about the Asaram Bapu. He did a rape, it is coming to know. Okay, and the rape charges is going on in him, and this will be possible that the arrest warrant is also going on. Ganesh ji, please come on the stage.
Come here, stage.
I just want to invite Mr. Ganesh to come on the stage. Please.
पीछे और कुछ है? No
Please.
sir, thank you.
No.
Please ma'am.
I just want to discuss with you.
No,
Only
no.
a simple topic.
No, thank you.
This is not a laughter channel, please. It is a discussion. Please, Ganesh.
कैमरा चला मार रहा है.
डर लगता है यार. हाँ, इतनी ऊंचाई पर खड़ा हूँ, मुझे डर लग रहा है.
डर लग रहा है.
तो मैंने मेरी मत करना. हाँ, सरने का है वो.
Okay, I am just want. He is just nervous. He come only before a few minutes, so he is just unable. I just want to say. I just want to talk about the discussion. What is the topic? Then he will be able to understand. Okay, Mr. Ganesh. I am just talking about the rape case by the Bapu, Asaram Bapu. I think you know about the Asaram Bapu. Am I right? Please come here.
दूसरा टॉपिक स्टार्ट करो ना. दूसरा
Okay.
टॉपिक.
So what are you thinking about that a God state man do this? So what about the Mengo people? They are also do this because of their people. I think that the mentality and the cheap mentality is going down day by day. They are never-minded thinking. So what do you want to say about it? Please come on the stage.
No sir, thank you.
Yeah, please.
कुछ भी तो बोलो. मुझे कुछ नहीं तो मुझे.
What is your perception? You just want to describe your perception, nothing else then. Please. For a minute.
No, sir.
I won't waste your any time.
Thank you sir.
मुझे नहीं आता मैं गई थी.
तो आप चले जाइए ना. तो
You have no, if you have no,
इसलिए आया हूँ, सर ने ऊपर बोला है.
sir also
मैम
said,
प्लीज इसकी करिए क्योंकि
sir also said that you should be discussed here. Please. Just
sir.
for a minute. यार कुछ बैंड बजा दोगे आप?
जब बोला है ना
बैंड बजा दोगे आप?
ये बैंड बज गया।
हेलो ऐसे
प्लीज गणेश जी,
थैंक यू यार, बस
why are you coming here?
बस यार।
Why are you coming here?
nothing matters behind it.
No, you are coming here. Why? What is the reason behind it that you come here? Just to improve in your English language. So you should come here. No, if you can't say in two person, in ahead of two person, in front of camera, so I don't think so that you ever can say in the front of crowd. Please, you should be tried. If you have no perception, I will give you some
आपको
choice.
ट्राई करना चाहिए.
You should be tried. Asaji, please. Okay, he have no perception, and he don't want to come here. So I think he should be tried just improve in his language. So after this incident, I just want to I am just giving my closing statement that this incident should be stopped, and dictatorship is a good option. But I don't think so that it is a practical, because after that practical, I think we can improve in India a lot. Okay, after me Asa will come here and just do a active passive voice. She will narrate some active passive voice and talk about the active and passive voice. Please Asaji, please come here. Asaji, please come on the stage.
Ravi tells a lie, Ravi tells a lie. Ravi tells a lie told by Ravi doesn't tell a lie isn't told by Ravi. Does Ravi tell a lie isn't told by Ravi. Why does Ravi tell a lie? Why is a lie told by Ravi? Why doesn't Ravi tell a lie? Why isn't a lie told by Ravi? Ravi is telling a lie isn't being told. Ravi is telling a lie. A lie is being told by Ravi. Ravi isn't telling a lie isn't being told by Ravi. Is Ravi telling a lie? Is Ravi telling a lie? A lie is Ravi telling a lie? Is a lie being told by Ravi? Why is Ravi telling a lie? Why is a lie being told by Ravi? Why isn't Ravi telling a lie? Why isn't a lie being told by Ravi? Ravi has told a lie. A lie has been told by Ravi. Ravi hasn't told a lie. A lie hasn't been told by Ravi. Has Ravi told a lie? A lie has been told by Ravi. Why has Ravi told a lie? Why has a lie been told by Ravi? Why hasn't Ravi told a lie? Why hasn't a lie been told by Ravi? Ravi told a lie. Ravi told a lie. A lie was told by Ravi. Ravi didn't tell a lie. A lie wasn't told by Ravi. Did Ravi tell a lie? A lie. Did Ravi told a lie? Was a lie. Was a lie. Was a lie being told by Ravi? Was a lie being told by Ravi? Why did Ravi tell a lie? Why was a lie being told by Ravi? Why wasn't Ravi tell a lie? Why wasn't a lie being told by Ravi? Ravi had told a lie. Ravi had told a lie. A lie had been told by Ravi. Ravi hadn't told a lie. A lie hadn't been told by Ravi. Had Ravi told a lie? A lie had a lie been told by Ravi? Why had Ravi told a lie? Why had a lie been told by Ravi? Why hadn't Ravi told a lie? Why hadn't a lie been told by Ravi? Ravi will have told a lie. Sorry. Ravi will tell a lie. Ravi will tell a lie. A lie will have told by Ravi. Ravi won't tell a lie. A lie won't have told by Ravi. Will Ravi tell a lie? A lie will Ravi told a lie? Will a lie have told by Ravi? Why will Ravi told a lie? Why will a lie Why will Eli told by Ravi? Why want Ravi told tell Eli? Why want Ravi tell Eli? Why want Eli? Why want Eli have? Why want Eli have told by Ravi? Will Ravi will have told Eli. Eli will have been told by Ravi. Ravi want have told Eli. Eli want have been told by Ravi. Will Ravi tell? Will Ravi told Eli? Will Eli have been told by Ravi? Why will Ravi told Eli? Why will Eli have been told by Ravi? Why want Ravi told Eli? Why want Eli have been told by Ravi?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next.
Next, tell me.
Okay, you can go.
Next.
Okay, you can go.
बोल रही हो
Mr. Sumit, you come in.
टेंस बोल रही
You want to say something else?
Yes.
Yes. What do you want to say?
50 cents.
50 cents is about tens.
Huh.
Okay, you can. So you slept, so I thinking that you didn't learn, so I am just coming here.
Raman tells a lie. Raman doesn't tell a lie. Does Raman tell lie? Why does Raman tell lie? Why doesn't Raman tell lie? Raman is telling lie. Raman isn't telling lie. Is Raman telling? Why is Raman telling? Why isn't Raman telling lie? Raman has told a lie. Raman hasn't told lie. Has Raman told lie? Why has Raman told lie? Why hasn't Raman told lie? Raman has been telling lie since morning. Raman hasn't been telling lie since morning. Has Raman been telling lie since morning? Why has Raman been telling lie since morning? Why hasn't Raman been telling lie since morning? Raman told a lie. Raman didn't tell lie. Did Raman tell lie? Why did Raman tell lie? Why didn't Raman tell lie? Raman was telling. Raman was telling lie. Raman wasn't telling lie.
सामने
Raman was telling lie. Raman wasn't telling lie. Was Raman telling lie? Why was Raman telling lie? Why wasn't Raman telling a lie? Raman had told a lie. Raman hadn't told lie. Had Raman told lie? Why had Raman told lie? Why hadn't Raman told lie? Raman had been telling lie since morning. Raman hadn't been telling lie since morning. Had Raman been telling lie since morning? Why had Raman been telling lie since morning? Why hadn't Raman been telling lie since morning? Raman will tell a lie. Raman want tell lie. Will Raman tell lie? Why will Raman tell lie? Why want Raman tell lie? Raman will be telling a lie. Raman want to be telling lie. Will Raman be telling lie? Why will Raman be telling lie? Why want Raman be telling lie? Raman will have told a lie. Raman want have told lie. Will Raman have told lie? Why will Raman have told lie? Why want Raman have told lie? Raman will have been telling lie since morning. Raman want have been telling us since morning. Will Raman have been telling us since morning? Why will Raman have been telling us since morning? Why want Raman have been telling us since morning? Thank you. नहीं complete. No.
Okay, she didn't learn properly, so she is unable to speak in a correct voice. Okay, next one is Shivani. Shivani, please come here. Come on the stage, Shivani, please.
ऊपर में ना एकदम वो बोलना एक्टिव मतलब दोनों.
Okay, Shivani, please.
Good evening, guys. I am narrating our slogan. What is the life? Life is a tragedy for those who believe in thinking. Life is a comedy for those who believe in doing. Be happy and have so many friends. Become gloomy and lose all of them. If I have a sense of comedy, they will find you. If I have a sense of tragedy, they always turn to my very few. They would like to get full measure of your pleasure, but they need not to hear woe and displeasure. There is none who would decline your nutted wine, but there is nutted wine who would like to take life's gall that would be remind of mine. As a matter of fact, this is the life. And then next slogan: if your intention is right, everything is right. If your intention is wrong, everything is wrong. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who offers himself for the endless fight. Thank you. बता नहीं सकते पकड़
हो गया.
Okay guys, our discussion is complete, but before closing the statement, in the last statement, I just want to call Mr. Ganesh. I'm not going to please Ganesh, come on the stage.
Hello guys, I'm Ganesh.
Okay, hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello, Mr.
Smith.
Mr. Smith. How are you?
Just fine. Okay, you are not coming here, you didn't come here. What is the reason behind it?
Well, I don't know. I don't speak properly English.
No, it is not a reason that you. It is not a good reason that you can't speak up properly English. They can't speak up properly English, but they tried. You should be tried because without 1 second, let me complete first. Because if you want to speak in a proper manner, without speaking broken English, you can't speak a proper English. You can. I have an example for you that if you can't drive a car in fully manner, so you will try just very slowly, then you will try. But if you say that after I will tend it, then I will try it. So I don't think so that you can drive any time you can drive a car. So I think you should be trying. Okay. How do you feel to listen them? How are you feeling? That you can be or not? You can also speak English or not?
Yes, I am feeling. Yes, I am. Yes, I am feeling that I am speak fluently and more time and after more time and after some time, but my vocabulary is not clear. Sentence structure is clear, but speaking time, you forget this thing.
Okay, you should
This is the
concern.
main reason behind it.
Okay, you should concern this issue. Like you should learn more than more. Okay, you should try by written the sentence. But I'm not saying you. I'm not forcing you just to come here. I'm said you many times. Just please come here. You didn't, but you should come here just to try. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, after this closing statement, I'll just close this discussion. Okay, thank you.